kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Fernando of Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa headquarters ni Papa John's Pizza. And we are going to do a pizza war. Yun.
So, gagawa tayo ng kanya-kanyang pizza natin. And at the same time, titingnan natin kung paano ginagawa yung dough ng Papa John's.
So, I've heard now, gumagamit sila ng freshly tossed mga pizza dough, and at the same time may milk tea na sila, bro.
So titingnan natin later, and titingnan natin kung sino mas masarap na pizza.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sasamahan niyo po kami? Let's go.
Pizza war. I'm gonna crush you, Shannon. I'm gonna crush you. Pizza war.
Pizza. My pizza is the best.
Paliliguan mo siya.
Paano natin ng flour? So,
dusting tawag. Okay.
So, yung flour pala, ito yung ginagamit pang dusting para hindi dumikit yung mismong dough natin sa mismong pang ano natin sa table, hindi dumikit sa table.
Pakita natin kay Ma'am Ella. Yan. That's the proper way.
Knuckle stretch lang.
Beginner's luck, beginner's luck. Marinara. Okay.
Legalize marinara.
Very good, dude. How do you feel about your pizza?
I'm confident naman sa lasa, hindi lang sa itsura, pero feel ko ito yung pinakamasarap. Cheesy, meaty, and talagang overload sa sahog.
Yeah. Gitna. Pataas.
Then, gitna ulit.
Gitna ulit.
Pababa.
Baba.
Then, side ko.
Yun. Look at my dough, brother.
Spread na lang muna.
More. Woohoo! Spread.
So,
Itong sa akin, guys. So, merong konting porgida si Jan dahil maraming kolorete yung sa kanya. Sa akin, ham and cheese. Hams and cheese. Alright, good enough. Jan, here comes my pizza. Ready ka na.
yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Alright, so this is it.
So, luto na yung ating pizza. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung kinalabasan. Yun! Alright.
Ayos.
So, mukhang medyo maganda yung kinalabasan
Magandang
natin
laban.
pizza.
Magandang laban.
So, cheesy. May mga konting burn. Ayan. So, lagay na natin dun sa ano. Dun sa table.
Go, bro.
That's it.
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Brother. So, tingnan mo, nagbabubbles pa talaga yung ano. It's still moving. It's like breathing. Good luck, Shanok. It's time. Alright, so ayun nga guys, itong final product ng aming pinagpatrabahuan kanina. Ayan,
So ito yung mga ginawa naming pizza.
fruit of our labor.
So ngayon, syempre,
Titikman natin. So, ayun yung ginawa ko kanina. Ito naman yung ginawa ni Mark. So, palit muna tayo and then later on,
tikman natin yung mga sarili nating
ginawa. Yun! Okay, so let me taste this one. So, this one is the Supreme Overload.
And ito naman yung kanina ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese, yan. In fairness, Mark, yung ginawa mo parang
Overload talaga.
overload.
Mm.
Oh, wow.
Yung pizza, parang expert yung gumawa. Cheesy. Anong cheesy and yung ham talaga is lutong-luto.
Yes. And ako, Mark, no, isa sa mga napansin ko talaga dito is kung ano yung pagkakaiba nung previous na kung kailan nagsimula si Papa John's na ngayon na hand toss na yung mga dough natin. So, very noticeable. Napakalambot na ng kanilang dough. No?
Actually, yun yung pinaka mapapansin mo. At the same time, ito yung mga pizza na kahit yung pinakadulo kakainin mo.
Actually, yung price natin dito, they still remain one of the lowest.
Yes.
No, most affordable pa rin. They can actually compete with yung mga existing pizza business na gumagamit ng mga pardo. No?
At the same time, maliban sa nag-improve na yung dough natin from fardo to hand toss. And nagdagdag din sila na kanilang mga milk tea.
So, now Papa John is now Papa John's Pizza and milk tea. Imagine, Mark,
For only 39 pesos, makakapag-milk tea ka na.
grabe. The lowest for your pizza is actually 99 pesos. And then for the milk tea naman,
It's 39 pesos.
additional 10 pesos is for the large. Ito na yon.
So, titingnan ko yung kanilang white rabbit.
Sa akin naman is yung kanilang cookies and cream. So they still have a lot of flavors actually. Now for the pizza, let me mention the flavors of the pizza no habang tinitingnan mo yung milk tea mo, bro. So we still have yung Supreme Overload, which is this one. Ham and cheese. We still have pure beefy goodness, cheesy bacon, pepperoni, Hawaiian, Chicago shrimp. Actually, isa sa mga gusto kong flavor when we vlog yung Papa Jom sa bahay natin is yung Chicago shrimp. Yes.
So, available si Papa Jom sa mga iba't ibang lugar like San Roque, Guagua, Santa Ursula, Guagua. Meron din sa San Fernando, sa Lagundi, and dito sa may Sabanilla.
Alright. So, sa Sabanilla nila is actually yung commissary natin dito. But they can still come here. They can still order.
Titingnan naman natin yung mga kanya-kanyang gawa natin.
Yes. Ayan, I mean, considering na we already did our photo shoot, our video shoot, our pizza remains still hot. Wow, it's actually still warm.
At the same time, yung lambot pa rin.
Exactly.
In fairness sa gawa ko,
Ako rin actually, bro. Nag-enjoy ako dito.
not bad for the first time.
Congratulations, man. Not bad for the first time. There you have it, guys. If you've been a follower or a fan of Papa John's Pizza, they have upgraded their dough.
Yes.
So make sure to check them out again. Alright, so if you like this video, guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share it with your friends. And check out Papa John's Pizza and milk tea.
Yes, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace.